Sheraton Towers Singapore has always been a great employer. One of our philosophy in life is to care for the employee. We implemented the EasyMate itself for all the room attendants. That will help us to reduce downtime due to injuries will affect productivity. The EasyMates allows the bed to be lifted so that the place can be cleaned better. That also would contribute to better guest satisfaction itself. Less complaint and also less stress for the staff. At the same time, it also helps to promote staff retention from the HR point of view. They can do more room if they want to, but of course the objective when we do this is to care for the employee, take care of their health, and of course to extend their working beyond 60.